Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Gurpal and you're watching Tech Time, where there's always time for tech. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the LG G8X, which was the most sought after deal in this year's Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. You could have got your hands on this dual screen phone for Rs 19,999, and we were lucky enough to get one, as the deal got sold out in minutes. So, if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a thumbs up. Without waiting any further, let's get started. Let's first start off with some specifications. The LG G8X comes with a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, which is a full HD Plus display, not a Quad HD display. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery, comes with wireless charging, IP68 water and dust resistance, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, which is expandable up to 2 terabytes. Let's have a closer look at the box. It has the G8X branding on the top and it just slides right out. Here we can see the festive special edition sticker on the top, and there are two boxes. Let's open the bigger box first. We get a microfiber cloth on the top, and I suspect the phone at the bottom. Yeah, so the phone's at the bottom. We'll also keep the phone aside for the moment and see what else we get. We get another box, and I suspect we get the paperwork inside this. In this box you get the wired headphones, since the LG G8X comes with a headphone jack. And it also has a 32-bit high quality DAC. So that means your audio quality from the wired connection would be absolutely stellar. We also get a USB-C to a USB-A charge cable, but unfortunately we don't get a charging brick in the box. So that was mentioned in Flipkart's BBD sales webpage that you won't be getting an adapter in the box. Let's open this box and see what you get. We get warranty information, paperwork, and basically a case to get you started. Let's now open the second box. So this box has the case which makes this phone a dual display phone. It basically has the same 6.4-inch OLED panel inside, and it has a mirror finish on top with a 2.1-inch cover display to display your notifications, messages, time, etc. It also comes with a small white adapter to help you charge your phone when it's inside the case, as the phone is recessed. Now let's move on to the phone. The phone has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, and on the bottom it has a USB-C port, a mic, a speaker, and a 3.5mm jack. On the right you have the power button. On the left you have the volume rocker and the Google Assistant button, and on the top you have the SIM card slot. The screen has a water drop style notch for the selfie camera. Now let's boot it up for the first time and install it in its case. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the unboxing of the LG G8X, click the like button and comment down below if you were able to get yourself one. Also, subscribe to the channel as we will be posting some awesome content like this in the future. Click the bell icon so you can be notified when we post a new video. Follow Tech Time on social media where we post regular updates on the latest tech development. Our social media links will be in the description below. I'm Gurpal. You've been watching Tech Time. See you guys in the next one.